Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. So, Shalam gave us a breakdown of what happened at the gate at Freedom Street concert, as he was one of the artists who stood there for more than 3 hours with Popcaan and Chronic Law. So Shalam say, Skatta fi come out and feelings, cause I never him nor Joe book him. A Vibes Cartel send come call him. He also gave his 2 cents on the little saga where King Donor and Candy mentioned that Vibes Cartel should have gave them tickets and an invite to the concert. Shalam say, oh, you think a play thing this? Or no have the talent nor substance worthy of being on Freedom Street. The man I make them know say, yo, him boss way before TikTok, so no mix him in the TikTok category. So let's react to the video and remember to like and subscribe.
You tell me to suck me mother. You tell me to suck me mother. You tell me to suck me mother. I want to tell you, I want to come out on the catches, man. You tell me to suck me mother. Me you tell me to suck me mother. What tell me to suck me mother for? I want to come out on the catches, yo. Come out on the catches, my lord. I can't go success. I hate me see with a little boy. I did let me in. If I want to let a 3 hour you have you out there for. If you have you out there 3 hour you out, I know Sabi go out there. I know we don't mix and mingle, fam. And you have to turn up a gate with too much people for 3 hour, fam. Like you want normalize, like you want flakes out with thing, fam. I want to pay, fam. You think a fish tacker show this? You see no bum buckler fish tacker panny? You book me? You think you know Joe book me and I say a girl send call me? If I'm not alone, I know me never got to gate in the youth. You know say I go with them, you know say I be a guru man call him and pitney them, man favorite grand pitney them. You think of me some pussy upon your top up. I don't think about me I tell you 7 times about you don't think a transmission you say a transmission can't come past it. You know me say you don't think a joke thing. You must feel like a blood clash to them. Big up Diamond. A legends alone, big up Rebel. And because no fish tacker them bus pan. I tell you. No fish tacker can't come in them shit in a plate where wind up. No batty boy can't come on the blood clot stage. You hear that? When shit up a place, you hear that? Must feel like a joke thing. I want to know. And don't call me name to cause me not give nobody no traction. Me not need to prove to nobody. A long time me I take on long, you know me I go a long time. You just never. I want to go then that's hard. Me no want them ratings fam. Me no want them traction. Me not tag nobody. Me not answer nobody. We not do proving. The amount me do for my culture, none of them will never do that bomb lad. The amount me put in my culture, none of them will never contribute that. You don't have the talent. You don't have the time. You not go ever find that talent there again, because talent are dead out. A few away alone have substance on you. You know fish tacker fam, you know batty man. I me tell you no. You know kill up, you don't call me name, you know fish tacker fam. Me boss before fish tack come here. I me keep on tell you no. I feel like a fish tack going on Shalam pan. Me boss, all of them, me all of me go with them and the fish tack they know me pan fam. This a batty man app, transmission, shit in a plate, fuck out app. This can go for international bomb buckler live stream. You know people all about in Canada, Ghana, Emota Nation and watch this. You think we can show them a shit up part of Jamaica, yeah? Go suck your mother. I want to come from. I feel like we can show a world a shit up, bag a shit up bomb buckler people. I feel like a Jamaica is a shit up culture. I want to come back and sing one bag of suck good song and fuck out and fuck with song. We don't have bomb buckler song. We don't have nothing. We don't have style, we don't have slang. What we don't have? We don't have a style, we don't have a slang. What we don't represent? And move a TikTok we don't represent pussy. And then when people boring and want you cussing, then just come over here and watch you know. And give you no batty man money. We no in a history, it me I tell you no. None of no shit in a plate, no in a history. And history have to prove it to you know. You not get another show like that again, you know. You will never see another blood class show with so much of one place like that. Again, unless I want another history man come a road like Jack Ure and we say we are going to celebrate him. You will never get out, you never, that history they pass, you know. I'm going to suck on the mother, I've been telling you so shit in a plate long time, you keep on debate with me like, you know what, alright, I'm going to make you prove, you know, shame on yourself. You can't say anything, you know what, I'm not answer nobody. And you know. Look, in the sky, me tell you, anytime I the sky, me I go, you know, in a blood clad sky. Me tap, me prove my highlight point of a prove, long time. Me just want some pussy feel like shit. I mean, yo, me could have go this stuff on, you know. Me could have go say a whole heap of thing, you know. But I know that. You see, I'm here when I'm homeless man on the show. And I'm here youngest man on the show. Look if it makes sense. Me when I'm homeless. And I'm here blood, they call the youngest. Or whatever you want. Me a legend pussy. Long before, whether young or old, you know, say Shalam, I want the greatest out there too. You know, if a blood clot called by my surname. And Mr. Shalam would have been Mr. Shalam, you know rap with me. I mean, now I told this and I put it up. He want them we deserve it. He want them we not no talent, when I come down. It's simple, as substance over hype around here. And the much blood clot code me crack boy every day. And if you figure blood clot, dig up me history. None of them pussy and I put in half I work with Shalam put in. Me number, bro. Me like me ignorance, bro. Me like me anger. Me like Shalam style. Yeah. Me like how me stay. Nobody no disrespect me so easy how me stay. Yeah. Me not even get to see Skilly Bang perform. I'm a brother that did all. I tell you, pussy they lock me out. We don't lock out, you know. But the whole of people in the out there, we can't go in left for people. Them. So basically, we lock out to cause we people them away. You see it? We not go in the left them. I'm mad. Big up all of my guru them come out and represent. Yeah, big up Dunsman. Big up Eddie G. Bama. Big up Eddie G. Bama. You look a brown girl, the power of the Shams. Big up yourself, mama. You know, pass me. Big up my dogs, King. Big up all of my guru them. All of my guru them, missing man. All of my guru them. Big up the international guru them when I see me, but me not too go link them. Shalam, man. That's a Shalam stay. I stick to my culture. I know more about for them traitness, you understand? But big up all of my international guru them will bless me same way. I give her thanks. Yeah man, it was me give thanks to be part of history. Just for there. Just for there and meet and greet.